wait. Why we just fall off the sky? What? Oh my god, I thought it was God. Anyways, I'm gonna press the button. I'm gonna press the button. See, I'm gonna push the button. I'm gonna press the button. Yo, why are you having glass doors or something? I don't know. We just died. Why did we just... Okay, we're here. This is easy. I just have not touching with a laser gun. That's crossing with the laser gun is here. Laser gun is did he not just play shield? Did he not just play shield? I broke my ankles. Oh my god, I hate this. Smack! I got smacked. He cheated! He killed us again! Well, bye guys, I rage quit. Bye bye.